Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove wallet from menu in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Tap on settings, then find the wallet option. Tap on it. Then on the top right corner, you're gonna find a small 3-dot menu. Tap on it. Then a bunch of options will appear from there, from where you're gonna have to select remove from menu and tap on OK. And guys, that's it. That's how you remove wallet from menu in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.